Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute to talk about my gorgeous new bouquet from Rose Forever. I am partnering with them on this video and they sent me this gorgeous bouquet that comes in this acrylic box. I am so in love with how beautiful it is. I absolutely love their products. Rose Forever is a New York-based brand that designs luxurious bouquets with natural roses that stay fresh and gorgeous for a year. They have 8 different collections of different boxes and colors and textures. I am loving this acrylic box. The lid comes off where you can see the roses, smell them, and they're just so beautiful. And another thing that I love is that it has this drawer that opens up that you can like put your jewelry, anything in here really. I think it is so cute. I think I'm gonna put mine on my vanity. I'm thinking about getting a new vanity and I think this will look so beautiful just sitting there with my jewelry and everything in it. Make sure you check out the link to Rose Forever down in the description box and make sure you use my code HELTON30 and you will get $30 off your first order. Such a great deal, and with Valentine's Day coming up, you will definitely want to take advantage of these savings. What a perfect gift to get someone special in your life, and thank you so much Rose Forever for collaborating with me on this video. Remember to check out the links below in my description box. I have 2 codes for you, HELTON30 for $30 off your order and Influencer for free shipping worldwide. If you see this mess behind me, you're gonna know why I need to pop a little energy drink. I've got these Alani Energy in mimosa flavored. I've been thinking about mimosas all day, so I'm going to have a little mimosa tease to get my energy levels up to work on this Valentine's Day tablescape. I got a few things at HomeGoods a while back and I will show them to you. I have been very slow moving at getting things started because it took me forever to get my Christmas decor all taken down, and like I was just, I don't know, I wasn't feeling anything. But I've got all the Christmas decor down. Some of it is still piled up at the back door because it's just so cold that even going out into the garage or in the attic or to my storage unit, it's like a chore that we have been putting off. So I want to show you some of the stuff I got for my Valentine's tablescape, starting with these adorable placemats. They are just so beautiful, and I don't know if the camera is capturing their beauty. And of course, they were like the most expensive ones at HomeGoods because they were $14.99, but only for 2. Which, Valentine's Day, it's just for 2, you know, but I always do this table with 4 place settings, so I wasn't even thinking about it, and I bought 4. So we're gonna use those. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got these. I got these cute little macarons and I love them. They are just so cute. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I just thought I had to have them. And then what else did I get? I got these, and I don't know if I'm going to use these. I got these at Ross. They are just these hearts. And then also at HomeGoods, I got these for the kitchen. This towel, it's so cute that said hugs and kisses, but I actually really just liked this heart towel and the little oven mitts. And how cute is that? So we are gonna get started on a Valentine's Day tablescape. Brody's, oh hey Brody! Brody's chewing on a box of an item that I want to return, so that's not good. I ordered some really cute cocktail glasses and they're supposed to arrive today. I don't know when, but I did see these last night at Dollar Tree and I thought, what the heck, they're cute, you know, $1.25. So I got 4 of those because I was doing the tablescape in all pink, so I didn't think the red was gonna work. But let me show you something. I don't know if you remember this from last year, but I built this swag to put above my front door, and I kind of just stuck it up there to see if it would work, and it does, but it definitely needs to be like adjusted. It's all wonky, but if I start messing with it now, it will probably fall. So I have to get it better secured, and then I will try to like even it out and make it look nice. But I figured I didn't feel like decorating the front door this season, so I'm just gonna put this on the mantle. That was from Target, and I had no clue what I was going to do with it, but I was so into disco balls that I saw this cute disco ball heart, and I was getting discouraged because I'm like, what am I gonna put as my centerpiece of this table? Let me go look for something, like what could I even use? I need to get fresh flowers, but I just haven't been out. We have a snow day today, and the weather is just yucky, so I didn't know what I was gonna do, and I'm like, let me just go look. I have a box with all my Valentine stuff in it. Oh my God, Brody's rolling around at my feet. I found some stuff that I think I could make a centerpiece with, so I'm just using stuff that I already have, like these little greeneries that I had from last year on the front porch. I think I'm gonna use those along with these that I already have, the little cherry blossoms, and kind of just put them in this bowl. And then I was like, I need some hearts to put in there. I had this left over from the Christmas tree, the sparkly heart I didn't use. I had this left over from the Christmas tree, the sparkly heart I didn't use. And then I picked up a couple of these at Dollar Tree. So I think I'm going to like stick these little hearts in there. Maybe this, and just kind of like, I don't know, create a little arrangement with the hearts. Another thing I picked up at Hobby Lobby was this table scatter. It's so cute. It's like jeweled hearts, and these look like diamonds. And then I also have this table scatter from Dollar Tree. My phone is going off. Let me go find it. Also, I'm wearing this beanie because my roots really need done and they look pitiful. So I just feel better with the beanie and having them covered. And I have this cute outfit on with the like fur collar trim and sleeves, and it's from Pretty Little Thing, and it's got matching pants with it, and they're just sweatery and so cozy. So I'm just gonna get started on the Tablescape, and I'll show you everything when it's done. I also have this that I might try to put up there. It's so long, which is the problem with me putting it anywhere. It's just like almost too long for all of the mantles and everything. It drapes down like this, and I think it would just be better like this. It says be mine. I don't even know if I'm holding it the right way. I've got some like heart platters, plates, stuff that I already had. Oh, one more thing that I did get new are these pink heart napkins. They're Kate Spade, so cute. So I'm gonna start by taking everything off the table, and we had tacos last night, so I see some stuff on here, so I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna start working on the centerpiece. I got the centerpiece done. I think it turned out fairly well for literally just having no plan. I just kind of stuck it all together in this bowl, and it's just kind of wild and crazy, and it looks cute. Alright you guys, I just wanted to let you know that the weekend happened. It was Friday afternoon when I was wrapping this up, and I didn't get to finish, so I am back and it's Monday, and it has been a Monday. Let me tell you that. I didn't set my alarm last night, I forgot. So we got the kids off late to school. I had an appointment that got mixed up, so it has been a Monday. And if you're wondering what this is, I just washed something off my sleeve. I was like, I don't feel like changing. I'm cozy in my sweatsuit, so yeah, I just tried to wash it off. Still got a hat on because we're hiding the roots. My hair appointment was late this month, and it is still like 3 days away. So this is what we're going with today. So I'm gonna wrap up the Valentine's Tablescape, and I'll show you everything when it's all done. All right, you guys, this is how everything turned out, and I think it's absolutely adorable. I went ahead and kept the Dollar Tree champagne flutes on the table. I think they're just so fun and whimsical. I did get some really pretty cocktail glasses that I'll be unboxing in my next video, so stay tuned. We might switch it out and see how that looks, but for now I wanted to use these because they just are so cute and fun. I do have some real macarons, but for now we are displaying these cute little fake ones from Home Goods on this little heart plate. We've got our champagne out, ready to toast. And I just love how the impromptu centerpiece turned out. It's so cute. And the garland that I made last year for the front door looks so perfect on this mantle back here with this really cute Be Mine garland. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!